I mixed this product with frankincense essential oil and a lotion base. It really works on my neck where I have a bulging disc. Helps keep the pain away when I'm working. Add to my morning coffee. Will last forever, taste sweet and smell potent. Organic food grade. Bought this to keep out the ants. Works like a charm. Smells wonderful too. Bought this to make cinnamon candy, it worked out perfectly. Very strong, so don't go crazy with it. I even put a little bit in my lip balm. Be careful when cooking with it, it'll have your eyes watering in 2 minutes flat. Have a good ventilation or a fan on. Smells the whole house up immediately, but a beautiful smell. I haven't tried it yet, but I think I'm gonna make a candle with this oil. Highly recommend if you need a strong, lasting flavor or scent. One. I love dropper bottle essential oils. 2. The scent is strong, yet perfect. Exactly how cinnamon bark should smell. 3. Price is extremely reasonable. 4. Shipping was crazy fast. I am a new customer to this brand, but will definitely order again. I am quite pleased. So first and foremost, dilute. I didn't read the instructions and was using this to make a lip plump lip gloss. I called myself trying it out to see how it was, and I put the oil directly on my lips and OMG, it burned like hell. Click link in description for cheapest price on Amazon and for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all hair, skin and personal care items reviews. Please subscribe to my channel.